Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, September 9th. The Zen story for today is titled The Map Made of Ink and Imagination. Did you know, said the monkey, chewing on a reed, that some maps are drawn by dreams? The monk arched a brow. That sounds unreliable. Only if you don't dream correctly. They were resting beneath a crooked tree, the kind that leans just far enough to make you think it might fall, but never does. The monkey was sprawled out, belly up, sketching something in the dirt with a sharp twig. There, it said at last, stepping back like an artist unveiling a masterpiece. The better way. The monk peered down. The drawing looked like a snake had fought a spider and lost. What is it? A map. To where? Forward? The monk frowned. It doesn't resemble the trail. Of course not, said the monkey. This one's faster, stranger, and contains exactly 3 fewer regrets. The monk hesitated. His feet were tired, his thoughts more so. So he followed. The path wasn't marked, just impressions on the grass, the occasional footprint that might have belonged to the monkey or someone else entirely. Soon the trees began to change, their bark patterned like eyes, their leaves whispering as if passing secrets. The rocks hummed, not song exactly, but tones that pulsed in the gut. Is this real? The monk whispered. The monkey didn't answer. It was whistling something tuneless, tail flicking like a metronome. They passed a tree that wept clear sap onto a stone shaped like a sleeping face. Then another, wrapped on a vine that pulsed with breath. The monk stopped. We are not on the map anymore. The monkey looked back, blinked once, and said, Weren't we never? By the time they returned to the main trail, the sky had shifted slightly, colors more saturated, air a little thinner. The monk turned to look behind him. There was no path, just trees, just wind, just a monkey, already walking ahead. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps let your eyes close gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, and when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When have you followed an uncertain path? And how did you know whether it was a detour or exactly where you needed to go? When have you followed an uncertain path? And how did you know whether it was a detour or exactly where you needed to go. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When have you followed an uncertain path? And how did you know whether it was a detour or exactly where you needed to go? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you on Thursday.